How to download TikTok in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download TikTok in any iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, simply head over to the search bar on the bottom right. Now simply search for TikTok and yeah, there it is. There is TikTok. Now you can tap on the download option here and then download TikTok. If you don't find TikTok and TikTok is just missing from your app store, this is what you do. Head over to your Safari, and after you head over to your Safari, you simply search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, you will see App Store option. Now if you don't see that either, you can just head over to the search bar again and tap on TikTok download. Doing that, hit enter and there you should get the app stores again link here. Now you can tap on the install from here itself and it will redirect you to your app store where TikTok is available. Now tap on the download button and it should start downloading. And that is basically how you can download TikTok on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.